holiday market haul. No, you're right. You're totally right. This is an Ipsy unboxing video, yes. But I also got some fun things at local markets for the holidays and for myself. So I just wanted to share some things with you, such as I've been wanting some bag charms for all the handbags you've been seeing me get off Poshmark and my collection that you know I love. And I found this company locally, and y'all know I'm a beach girl. You know I'm a beach girl. And I got this really cutie bag charm. These are real seashells, but they have been like dipped in resin, so they're more sturdy. This one, can you tell in the morning sunlight, even has some like sparkles into that top resin. So she's extra gorgeous. Got a little tiny seashell up here too. Like imagine this on a bag. And this is from the company Feel Shitty Look Pretty. Again, a little local street vendor. I found them off, and because we have like a bunch of these like little markets all around town, especially at the holidays. And you guys, I showed you my favorite new necklace that I got that's very beachy vibe from Shell and Stone. Well, they were at that same market and I got a new piece because look at this very rare, can you see it? I know it's morning sunlight right now. It's a very rare seashell in this really gorgeous chain here. She saw my video talking about her brand and you guys in the comments, and she was like, okay, I'm making an announcement on my Instagram that in 2025, she is going part-time at her nursing job to be able to focus on her business as well. So she is looking to restock her website as soon as possible. So if there is a piece that you really like, comment. This is again not sponsored, just again funsies and stuff I love that I'm sharing with y'all. Okay, y'all, I got the card first thing in the box here, and do you see where it has unwrapped joy? Do you see some of the products in here? Like, I'm sitting here staring so hard at this Natasha Denona palette. December 2024. This season, we want you to find joy in small moments and feel wonder at every turn. So we're hooking you up with delightful surprises and beauty galore to ensure the holidays shine as bright as your glittery eyeshadow. Y'all, are these products in some of the boxes right now? I don't even know, but I am so down to find out. Okay, y'all, you know I do my monthly unboxings with Ipsy and Boxycharm, and on the quarter, the Luxy box. No, the Icon box. Where did that come from? I just had a flashback. But you know, I am pretty much an expert at this point after, gosh, what is time? It is a construct. Over 8 years of getting subscriptions with Boxycharm and Ipsy, I am pretty much a pro at knowing, are these great? Are they not? You know how we like to do this here though. We start with the Ipsy bag and work our way up to the box. Let's find out. Are we ending 2024 on a bang of a month? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I still think it's weird though that we didn't correlate the end of the year with the Icon box like we used to with Boxy Luxe, because it was kind of like that extra big moment at the end of the year. So I'm still like thrown off by that mentally. But the Glam Bag, 5 deluxe beauty size samples. If you are sitting here going, do I want this for the holidays? Do I want this for 2025? It is big sized sample products. Members get to choose one product. Oh my gosh, this might be the cutest bag of the year. You tell me. Oh my golly, that is adorable. And this has up to a $70 value and it's only $14 a month. So if you are a skincare beauty lover, this could be your gateway, you know, feature into it for 2025. Oh my gosh, this is like so smooth, so lovely. This is great quality. I could see myself using this like as a little bag for makeup. All right, now let's see what is in here. Right on top, what is this guy? Oh, Tatcha. This is not a drill. We have some Tatcha in here. All right, we're starting off strong for the December bag. The Indigo Overnight Repair. Oh, I love Tatcha. It has done such great things for my skin. Ooh, really excited about that. Now there's like a big box here. Is it like under eye patches maybe? What is it? What is it? You tell me. Evo Skin Eye Therapy. 3 pairs in here because we're gonna depuff. We could do this right now. Should we be wearing these as we unbox? Why not? We're already barefaced. I feel like I haven't seen these kind of eye patches in a minute. Hydrogel Eye Therapy. Wear for 20 to 30 minutes? Again, these are with Evo Skin. I don't even know if I said that. These are collagen boosting, and it says it refreshes tired eyes, banishes puffiness, and gives you a renewed pink perspective to conquer the day with optimism and confidence. I could use that. I could use that today. Ooh, where'd the other one go? And they are pink. Hello, are you in here? Oh, you are. So let's hope these stay on while I do the rest of this unboxing. Actually, I don't feel like a crazy person because a lot of times these things are like a vibrant blue or green or something. So at least this kind of like goes with the aesthetics of right now. Okay. Hydrogel Eye Therapy. We're just gonna reach in here. What are you? Nina Body Lotion. This is some very sleek looking packaging, isn't it? Pixie by Petra Lip Glow in the shade Ruby. And a Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line eye pencil. Couldn't get away from a pencil for December if we try. But it is brown, so it's not black. So the shade is Fuzzy. Just to give you an idea here, so that's fun. Okay, this is a really good December bag. Oh my gosh, let me show you the inside of this bag. Not that anyone would ever see it except for you, but look how cutesy the inside of this bag is. That's so festive, I love it. So this is a really good bag for December. Really good. I could have done without the liner, but it's at least brown, and then we've got some Tatcha in here. So excited. Wearing these under eye patches. Did I put them on reverse? Did I just do them in different? I did. Okay, now we match. If that was bugging anybody, I'm sorry. I was just so excited. Don't worry, we still got like another 20 minutes with these suckers. As we now go on to the last Boxycharm of 2024. So let's find out, are we ending it on a bang? Because I think the bag definitely is like wowing right at the end of the year. Okay, so let's see. Now, as a reminder, the Boxycharm is full-size items. So it's that next level of goodness. 5 full-size beauty items. If you are a member, you get to pick 3 of your products. So 3 of them you know you're going to love and be excited for. I just got an accidental teaser spoiler and I think I'm really excited. Because this does have up to $200 value for $30 a month. And you guys, I think that picture might be accurate. Here's the booklet that they are giving us. Oh, interesting. So I feel like these have been very informational this year, these little inserts. This is like December micro trends, because as we all know, trends seem to be like, there's an overall arching trend of something, whether it's like, I don't know, less eyeshadow, less foundation, and more, you know, concealers and BB cream, stuff like that. Like that's like a bigger trend versus the micro trends of specific eye looks or lip looks or something. Now for the box. Can you see why I'm excited? All right, I'm just gonna not grab that one first though. What's over here? Oh! All right, do you pronounce it rhodial or rhodile? And this is some dragon's blood. Eye gel. Okay, so we've got more eye products. Clearly, I'm already doing one. This one is a hyaluronic acid that provides a long-lasting moisture, which, you guys, it's been so chilly that I'm like, I kind of need more moisture. My skin has been more dry than I'm used to, and I'm unwell about it. They're supposed to also reduce puffiness and lift and firm the appearance of the eye area with some other very fancy things in here. And they make the packaging so childproof. I can't get it out. Ooh. Oh, I probably pulled from the wrong end. Now I get it. Okay, that's a fun coral color. Why am I obsessed with the packaging? Not me. Not me. Yeah, so this is a little eye gel. We clearly don't need that right this second. We're already baking over here, but I'm excited about this. Next. Ooh, this is a bougie brand. I was just saying my skin has been dry, and this is for dry skin. It's gonna nourish and protect. Okay, another brand that I'm gonna ask how you pronounce it. To me, this looks like Loctane, but I'm sure it's not. Yes, I've seen this brand a million times. Doesn't mean I know how to pronounce it. Ooh, so I just had got a hand cream like a month ago from my subscriptions, but this one looks like it's gonna be really nourishing. This has a $30 value on Ulta, so that's good to know. I don't think they're 100% cruelty-free, unfortunately, but it does look like it has 20% shea butter. Ooh. All right, next. Ooh! Okay, we have some makeup. This is the LYS Love Speak. Okay, I have one of their lipsticks. I really like it. Which one do I have? Please don't be the same one. Please don't be the same one. This is the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick in the shade Desire. I really like this formula. I think it's really good. And I like this deeper color for the year-end holidays. I like this. This is a good product, you guys. So I am excited about this for the makeup portion of the box. I have to know, is this a Natasha Denona palette? Because this is the type of packaging we tend to get with Natasha in our subscription boxes, which feels very like the opposite of what you would think a luxury brand would be. So let's take a look. Oh my God! Ah! You guys, It says Natasha Denona Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette. Did you guys know this was gonna be in here? Because I had no clue. No clue. I don't even look at spoilers. Another good thing, because so many of them came broken in this type of packaging. Look what we have. Bubble wrap for the win. It may have taken us a journey to get here, but we're here. And by a journey to get here, I mean to get bubble wrap. How many broken palettes have you seen me unbox on my channel? Heartbroken. Oh my God, you guys, this is the most beautiful Natasha Denona palette I may have ever received from Boxy. Maybe ever. Look at this Rose and Wood palette. Look how much bigger the pans are too. I'm gonna take the lid off. Please don't have anything pop out. We've had that happen before too. Look at this. My holiday has been made. Look at this. I cannot wait to touch these shadows. Like, these look stunning. Okay, one more thing in here. One more thing in here. I can't believe we finally got some Natasha. Weren't we just saying we have not seen Natasha in our boxes in many, many moons? Way to end the year on a bang! And the last thing in here is a Well People Clean Beauty powered by Plants mascara in Expressionist. The shade Pro Black. I don't know what makes it a pro, but I like it. All right, for a separate video, I'm going to do the try on portion of this video, but give me a second. I'm going to come back in just a moment to give you, which, is this the best we've seen in a while for ending the year of Boxycharm? I'm gonna let you know. It's the holidays, we need some holiday magic. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be uploading this look with the makeup that came in the December bag and box to give you like the full dirty details on how everything applied. But you guys, spoiler alert, look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. I think, oh, it's a standout. I really do. I think some stuff in here didn't work as well as I was hoping, but some stuff worked even better, even if I had a little bit of struggling along the way, and you will be seeing that in the next video. Stay tuned, be subscribed, hang out with me, and do you guys want my best and worst of Boxycharm this year? I have originated that video, gosh, since like 2016, so I think I may have to do that. Let me know in your comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see this look, check out the next video I will be uploading. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.